I'm Brian from Inline Hockey Training, and I'm here at Wintermore's 2018 Huntington Beach, and I'm here with a little drill that I like to warm up on before games. To do this drill, simply pull the puck with one side of the blade and push with the other. The object is to keep the puck spinning in a small area. Be sure to practice going both directions. Another great drill for quick hands. To start, put two gloved shoes or pucks about 3 feet apart and figure eight around both objects. Start with a triangle pattern around the objects. As you become more proficient, you'll be able to smooth out your triangle to circles and move the objects closer or farther apart. Be sure to practice both directions. Here it is a little faster. For a variation, put both objects in a line in front of you. Don't forget both directions. And remember, train hard, have fun. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped. Be sure to come back for more inline hockey training videos. Be sure to like and subscribe down below.